Hello, this is Tom with Follett Technical Service. Today we are going to disassemble the evaporator on a Follett Tempo under-counter ice dispenser. Before we begin, please be sure to use personal protective equipment. Follett recommends protective eyewear and gloves for this procedure. Please remove power from the unit when appropriate. For clarity while filming, we've placed the Tempo unit on a workbench. Servicing this unit would normally be done with the unit on the floor. The tools and supplies you'll need are as follows: gloves, safety glasses, socket for M6 Allen screws, 1/4 inch socket or flat head screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, 7/16 socket. Disconnect power from the dispenser. Turn off water supply to the dispenser. Remove the screw securing the start capacitor. Unplug the gear motor connections. Remove M6 Allen screw, retainer, spacer, and key. Remove 2 M6x90 Allen screws. Pull gear motor from auger. Remove M6 socket head Allen screw. Remove the insulation. Remove compression nozzle retainer. Remove compression nozzle. Remove main housing. Disconnect vent line from T-fitting. Remove 3 M6x25 socket head Allen screws. Remove main housing. Carefully remove auger. Use caution when removing auger. The auger is very sharp. Handle with care to avoid personal injury. Remove insulation. Loosen clamp and remove drain line. Disconnect tubing at the John Guest fitting. Remove the 7/16 bolt. Lift entire reservoir and set aside. Lift evaporator to access and remove 2 screws securing the end bushing cap. Lift lid insulation and lid to gain access to internal parts of the reservoir.